After so much thinking and exploring, I realized that you are one of the best warriors who was so powerful and super strong. But this time, why are you so upset and sad? Why are you losing your hope due to scaring by the problems? Life is a match, a game, and this time it is not over. Only some portion are up. Many parts of chances and lots of opportunities are remaining. Everyone needs a comfortable life, but we are not formed for comfort. We made for harsh conditions, situations, and fighting with problems. God gives us lots of opportunities. So get up. Every morning is come with new look, a lot of opportunities. So make yourself ready and get back into your professional form and beat the problems and situation which get you down and change the direction of match. Imagine a beautiful ship is manufactured and landed at port, not to show his beauty and show off the design. It is comfortably safe at the harbor, but it is not made for that. It is made for work in harsh weather, harsh condition, within the lot of challenges with air, water, thunderstorm, tides, and many more. As same as you are not born for comfortable life and enjoyment. God gives everyone a aim and lot of opportunities in the form of harsh conditions and problems. You must to fight with yourself, your comfort zone, and ready yourself for any condition, any problems, and complete your aim. Winston Churchill says that the pessimist sees difficulty in every opportunity and the optimist sees opportunity in every difficulty. So choose yourself wisely. You must not always have a comfortable life, and you will not always be able to solve all problems of your life at once. But don't ever underestimate the importance of yourself because you can do everything because history has shown us that courage can be contagious and hope can be take on a life of its own. One day, Bill Can says that yesterday is history, tomorrow is a mystery, and today is a gift of God, which is why we call it the present. If we want to be free from problems of your life, so do hard work for your goals. Don't waste your time in unwanted activities with full of determination. Always think your aim into your mind and which motivate you internally every time, even a single second, and take a strong patience, which is very important because of potential is bitter in taste, but its fruit is sweet. And keep challenging yourself from yesterday person because challenges always comes into your life and take your test of your hard work and your patience, and at end it will give you a lesson and a very special opportunity to do something special. My friend, never be hopeless. It will completely destroy you and your all efforts, and never do suicide in any felt terrible situation. Martin Luther King says that we must accept finite disappointment but never lose infinite hope. My friend, never stop dreaming. One day, Constant Hughes says that hold fast to dream, for if dream die, life is broken winged bird that cannot fly. I believe that imagination is stronger than knowledge, then might is more potent than history. That dreams are more powerful than facts, and that hope always trumps over experience. That laughter is the only cure for gift life, and I believe that love is stronger than death. I like the night without the dark. We had never seen the stars. If you in our life have no problems, not any single hard situation, we never be able to identify ourselves, our special features and unique personality, our strength, our power. So don't be lose hope. Be strong. We are always with you, and God helps those person who never lose hope and do hard work, and God always blessed him and give him success. Thank you, my friend. If you like the video, press the like button, and if you want more videos, please subscribe our channel NDR Motivation, and share this video with your friends and family member. And if you have any suggestion for me, so put in comment box. Have a nice day.